Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Class 2, slot number 3, subjects are social studies, science and English. Social studies lesson number 3, my school reading book page number 9 and 10 and workbook page number 13 to 15. Now we are going to read the lesson number 3, my school. Our school is a place where we get education. We study different subjects. They're like English, mathematics, science, Islamic, social studies, and Urdu. We learn many new things in school like good manners, sports, discipline, etc. People in school, principal is the most senior person in the school. She supervises all teachers and students. Teacher helps children to educate and perform different activities. Page number 10. Administrator looks after the office affairs and keeps the records of all students. Security guards keep the school safe and protects the people in the school. School manners. Complete your classwork in time. Raise your hand when you want to ask something. The next lines are throw your pencil shavings in the dustbin. Don't fight or push each other. Different activities and programs are arranged in school that help students to enhance their abilities. These school activities include games, debates, study tours, class discussions, and projects. Workbook page number 13, My School. The first question is choose the correct answer according to the content of lesson. First fill in the blank is the dash is the most senior person in the school. Options are principal, teacher, administrator, and the right option is A, principal. Number 2, teacher helps children to dash themselves. And options are harm, save, educate. And the right option is C, educate. The third fill in the blank is administrator looks after the dash affairs. Options are canteen, school, office. And the right option is office. The next is throw your pencil shaving in the dash. Options are pencil box, dustbin, class. And the right option is dustbin. You know it very well. The second question is tick the correct statement and cross the false one. First is don't talk during the class. We should do it or not? Yes, we should don't talk in the class. It's the correct answer. Second is school does not arrange any program and activity. Cross. Third is security guard keeps the school safe. Yes, it's true. Fourth is it's not good to raise hand before asking something. It's cross. 14. The first question is what will happen if there would be not schools in our society? अगर हमारी society में schools नहीं होंगे तो क्या होगा? The answer is we will not get education. तो हम education gain नहीं कर सकते. Second question is who looks after office affairs in school? Definitely administrators. Administrator look after office affairs in school. My interpretation, who will you prepare your checklist before going to school? And the answer, I have learnt all lesson. True. The first is done for you. My homework is finished. True. I have learnt all lesson. True. I have kept all my notebooks and workbooks in my bag. Yes. Tick, you have to tick here. You will check this and you will mark the tick in the box. I have kept all my stationery. You have to mark tick here. Page number 15, activity. Take interview. Take an interview of your school admin officer. Ask the following questions. What is your name? What is your education? What are your job timings? What duties are you performing? Any two or three? And the answer is name. Sir Javed. Education MBA. Timings 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Tasks and duties making arrangements for programs. Number 2. Arranging trips. Number 3. Taking care of money matters. Science unit number 3, plants and their parts. Reading book page number 18 to 21 and workbook page number 17, 18 and 20. Page number 18, part 2, living things, unit number 3, plants and their parts. Now start reading. Plants are living things. In order to live, plants need good soil, air, water and sunlight. Plants grow all over the world. In order to live, plants grow in the different ways. Plants grow in all shapes and sizes. Some grow in the soil and on land, and other grows in water. Types of plants. Some plants are small while some are very big. Shrubs are small plants with woody stems. Herbs are small plants with tender green stems. They are often aromatic and the leaves can be used to flavor food. Coriander, creeper are plants with weak stems. They grow along or close to the ground. Climbers are plants which climb up other plants or surfaces. 19. Trees are the largest plants. They usually have a single woody stem called the trunk. Some trees are thousands of years old. Each year, the tree grows a new ring inside the trunk. We can tell the age of the tree by counting these rings. The tough protective outer layer of a tree or woody shrub is called bark. Part of the lobe, bark, knot, and ring. Parts of a plant. A plant has many different parts. What do these parts do? Let us find out. In left side, flowers. Flowers are the parts of some plants that become fruits and seeds. These grows into new plants. Roots. Roots take in water for the plant from the soil. Roots work like straws to suck up water. They also help to hold the plants firmly in the ground. In the right side, leaves. Leaves make food for the plants. Leaves also make a gas called oxygen. We breathe in oxygen from the air to keep us alive. Stems. Stems are the stalks that move water and food through the plant to leaves and flowers. Some stems also support the parts of the plants. Number 20. Although many plants have flowers, not all of them do. Flowers are of many different colors, shapes and size. Some flowers are used for decoration while some are used for making medicines. Some flowers grow into fruits. Fruits such as strawberry, apple, and apricot all grow from flowers. All fruits come from flowers, but not all flowers come fruits. Fruits have seeds that can grow into new plants. Here are some fruits. Have you tasted any of these? Some fruits, like the ones shows above, taste good and can be eaten. Some fruits cannot be eaten as they are poisonous. Others do not taste nice. Parts of a fruit. Fruits have a skin on the outer side. They have a fleshy inner part. They have seeds in the middle. Some fruits are covered by pores. Page number 21, seeds. Some fruits have only one seed, and some have a few seeds. Some have many seeds. Seeds grow into plants. Many seeds grow into trees. Seeds come in all shapes and sizes. Nuts are hard-shelled fruit of some plants. They have one seed and a hard shell. Page number 17, unit number 3, workbook. Plants and their parts. Question number 1, choose the correct answer. First is, which of these is a type of herb? इसमें कौन सी herb की type है? Options are jasmine, mango, cucumber and coriander. The right option is D, coriander. Second is, which of these is not a fruit? Options are orange, plum, pineapple and radish. Radish is a vegetable, it's not a fruit. So it's the right answer D, radish. Third is, which of these is a seed? Options are grape, apricot, rose and orange pie. The answer is D, orange pie. Fourth is, which of these fruit grow on trees? Options are pumpkin, watermelon, mango and grapes. And the right option is mango. Fifth is, what does the stem carry to other parts of plant? Options are air and water, air and food, water and food and air. The right option is C, water and food. The next question is fill in the blanks. Dash are the biggest plant. We have word cloud in the right side and the right option is trees. Second is dash are the small plant with stems that are hard and difficult to bend. And the right answer is shrubs. Third is a dash has a thick fleshy stem and prickly spines. And the right option is cactus. Number 4, all dash need sunlight, air and water to dash. And the right answer first is all plants need sunlight, air and water to grow. Fifth, dash are plants with weak stem which grow along the ground. The answer is creeper. 18. First question, B part. Trees, shrub or herbs. Your teacher has shown you some flashcards. Identify and write their name below in appreciate section. Herbs. Coriander, parsley and mint. Second, shrubs. Curry tree and jasmine. Third is trees. Mango tree and palm tree. Second question is label the diagram. We have the diagram of a plant and we have to label it. In the left side, first is flowers and the second is fruit. In the right side, the first blank is leaves, second is stem and the third is roots. Number 20, activity. What happened to both the plants? Cup A, it will grow and cup B, it would be die. Circle the root which is harder to pull out. We will circle the left side. It is harder to pull out because it has long and thick roots. So it is harder to pull out. English grammar section, workbook page number 23, 24, 26, 27, 29, 30, 59, 60, 73 and 74. Grammar section, page number 23. Definition of noun. Beta, you know what is the meaning of noun? What is the definition of noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal and things as table, loin, etc. You have to copy here. The next is color the space red if the name is the person. Color the space blue if the name is a thing. Color the space yellow if the name is a place. And color space green if the name is an animal. Okay? And you have to do the blue color in bus, car, water, flower, chair, bed. And you have to use the green color in crow, monkey, lion, sheep and frog. And you have to use the red color for the farmer, teacher and man. And you can use the yellow color for school, village, city, home, Lahore, hospital because it's yellow, it's the place. Can you guess the nouns from the clues below? A small box full of sticks. You can say it's a riddle and you can guess what is the answer of it. a matchbox. The second is something we put on a letter. And the answer is stamp. We put on the light with this. And the answer is switch. We keep ourselves warm at night with this blanket. Page number 24. How many names of animals and birds can you find? Find horizontal and vertically. You have to circle the name of the animals and birds. The first is donkey, the second is bull, the third is dog, the fourth is rat, the next is owl, hen, cat, yak, and ox. All the new words are noun. Drop the first letter and last letter of each word to make a smaller word. We have the first word is honey, and you can drop out the first and last letter and it will become the one. The second is chats and it will become hat. Third is beard and it will become ear. The next is pin and it will become pin. Recall the story The Great Race. Find and write four nouns from it. The first is bicycle, the second is motorcycle, next is policeman, and the next road. Page number 26, verb. The definition of verb, it is a word that shows an action as eating, reading, walking, etc. Verb shows an action. Under each picture, write the verb that matches it. First is done for you, reading. Second is the man is driving. You have to mention the action. Third is walking. And the next is skipping. The boy is skipping. Next, painting. The boy is painting. Circle the verbs in the word search. Verbs beginning with the letter S are written across. Verbs beginning with the letter P are written down. We have to circle them. Number 27, verb. Write the verb in the list on the right which fits each space. The first is to dash a boat, row. We row a boat. Second is to dash a pen, buy. Third is to dash a basket, make. Fourth is to dash a loin, kill. Fifth is to dash a meat, roast. Sixth, to dash a game, play. Seven is to dash a car, drive. Eight, to dash a tree, plant. Match the column to find out the noises these animals make. First A, we have to match the animals with their noises with their voices. Lion roars. Dog barks. Cat meows. Monkey chatters. Birds chirp. Horse neighs. Page number 29, adjectives. The definition of adjective. Adjective tells us something about a person or a thing as. Means to say we have to mention the quality of a noun. Rather it is good or bad. A fat cat, there is, fat is an adjective. A long snake, long is an adjective. Find the adjectives and write them in the boxes. I like my big bedroom. Here is, adjective is big. You have to underline it. I share it with my elder brother. You have to underline elder. We have blue toy box and a fast computer. Blue is adjective and fast computer, fast is adjective. There are two small desks. Small is adjective where we do our homework. My brother has got a red bed. Red is adjective that looks like a racing car and racing is adjective. My bed is tall. Tall is adjective. I need to climb a ladder to get on it. Next, we have to fill the boxes with the adjectives big, fast, small, tall, elder, racing, and blue. Next, describe these pictures using adjectives. In the left side, stuffed toy. The next is beautiful flower. The next, sweet apple. In the right side, the first is fresh carrot. Second is big tree. And the third is new book. Page number 30, adjective. What is an adjective? You have to write the definition of an adjective. Adjective tells us something about a person or a thing, as a fat cat, a long snake. Add adjectives to the following nouns. A dash house, a big house, a dash car, a blue car, a dash torch, new torch, a dash pencil, a long pencil, a dash apple, a sweet apple, a dash girl, pretty girl, a dash place, beautiful place, a dash dog, fierce dog, a dash book, old book, a dash star, shiny star, a dash bottle, empty bottle, a dash dress, a new dress. What are the missing words? Shirt covered with dirt, dirty shirt. When the rain pours, it is rainy day. A boy who has lots of luck, lucky boy. Food which has lot of spice, spicy food. A path covered with stones, stony path. Hair which has curls, curly hair. Page number 59, guided writing. Writing section, my father. You have to write about your father. My father name is, what is the name of your father? You have to mention here. My father is 35 years old or whatever the age of his. My father has black hair. My father's eyes are black. His favorite thing to do is watching news. In the right side, you have to paste a picture of your father. In the lower portion, his favorite food is biryani, dessert, kheer, color is brown, sport, cricket, and place Koita. And you can write your own choice. My father helps me when I have to complete my school projects. I love my father because he loves me a lot. If I could give anything to my father, it would be a watch. Page number 60, my father. Now you have to write an essay about your father. My father name is, what is the name of your father? You have to mention here. He is dash years old. You have to mention the age of your father. His favorite color is, what is the favorite color of his? You have to mention here. His work is an office. He likes to play cricket. He likes to eat biryani. His favorite place is Lahore. He offers prayers regularly. He helps the poor and needy people. He respects his elders. He helps me in studies. He is a kind person. He loves me a lot. Comprehension, page number 73. The first comprehension, listen to elders. It's a story, Little White Tail. Little White Tail was a young fawn. Fawn means the baby of a deer, हिरन का बच्चा. उसका नाम था Little White Tail. The wise old stag warned her one day. Stag होता है ना बारासिंगा. एक अक्लमंद बारासिंगा ने उसको वार्निंग दी थी one day. Be careful. There is a hungry lion by the river. Don't go to the river. It's not safe. उसने उसको कहा था कि तुम दरिया के उस किनारे मत जाना, वहां पे एक भूखा शेर बैठा हुआ है. White tail didn't listen. She went to the river and the lion attacked on her before she could run away. He was about to eat her when she said, "Oh lion, please come and meet my family." The lion thought that this way he could eat not just Whitetail but her family too. He agreed. They started walking together near the bushes. She quickly ran and hid. The lion searched for her but couldn't find her. Whitetail went home safely, and from them on always listened to what her elders said. Listening to elders keeps you safe from danger. Listening to elders keeps me safe. If I will always listen to what they say, their words I would remember. If I could listen to everything and be good. Page number 74, filling the blanks. Little Whitetail was a young fawn. The second is the wise old stag asked Whitetail to be cheerful. The next is Whitetail did not listen. The lion dashed on her. The lion attacked on her. Whitetail said, "Please come and meet my family." The next is the lion agreed. The next is near the bushes she quickly dashed, ran and hid. Little Whitetail went home safely. Dash to your elders, listen. The next question is take the advice that elders give you. Speak softly, don't shout. Yes, it's true. B. Talk to strangers. No, it's not good. You have to cross here. C. Finish your work and then chat to your friends. Yes, it's true. You have to take care. D. Talk loudly in the classroom. No, it's bad habit. You have to cross here. E. Listen to your parents and teachers. Yes, you have to. So you have to take care. Third question, what lesson do you get from this story? The lesson is we should always listen to our elders.